Most people comparing Cognism and Leadsforge have the same problem. They're trying to figure out which tool actually gives them reliable data without burning thousands of dollars every single month. And the truth is, the price you end up paying is almost never the price you think you're paying. So in this video, I'm breaking down Cognism versus Leadsforge feature by feature. And if you watch till the end, you'll see the one difference that completely destroys this comparison and makes one of these tools almost impossible to justify. Let's start with data accuracy and coverage. Cognism is known for strong European coverage and something they call diamond data. Good mobile numbers, good enrichment, and solid compliance. Leadsforge does something different. Instead of trying to own a dataset, it uses chat-based search that pulls data from multiple verified sources in real time. And because of this, you aren't stuck relying on a single provider's refresh rate. You always get the most up-to-date emails, LinkedIn profiles, phone numbers, enrichment, and all kind of data. So for the freshness and flexibility, Leadsforge wins. Now let's look at enrichment. Cognism enriches with standard firmographics like data, revenue, headcount, location, job changes, and all of that stuff. Leadsforge does that too, but also includes role-based signals, ICP matching, lead quality scoring, and it all happens inside a chat-style interface. That means no filters, no complex queries, no messing around with lists. You simply ask and it gives you the exact contacts you want. So on the speed of workflow, Leadsforge wins by a wide margin. Next, ease of use. Cognism is very enterprise. Big UI, multiple selections, multiple products inside the product. It's powerful, but you feel the weight of the platform. You're paying for everything even if you use one thing. Leadsforge is dead simple. It's literally just ask and get leads. No onboarding, no training, no demo calls. If you know how to chat, you know how to find prospects. Now for integrations, Cognism has CRM integrations, sales companion tools, and enterprise deployment options. Leadsforge connects directly to Forge Stack. Leadsforge for leads, InfraForge for infrastructure, WarmForge for warming, Salesforce for unlimited LinkedIn and email outreach. You can go from finding a lead to inbox setup to booking a meeting with only one login. And that's not all. You have APIs, HubSpot, Slack, whatever it is, if you need it. Now for the deal breaker, lead quality per credit. Cognism doesn't publish clear credit costs publicly. Pricing is quote-based. You typically pay for access, not usage, plus additional add-ons for mobile numbers or intent data. Leadsforge keeps it simple. One plan, all access. Credits roll over, and every search is transparent. You always know exactly what you're paying per lead. For predictability and value, Leadsforge wins again. So what's the pricing? Cognism pricing usually starts around the thousands per year. Most reviews mention 15,000 to 30,000 annually for a standard license, depending on the add-ons. Great for enterprise, but brutal for solo founders, small teams, and agencies. Leadsforge starts at a fraction of that. It's transparent, extremely affordable, and scales with your workflow rather than locking you into a heavy annual contract. Leadsforge starts at $40 a month for 2,500 credits. 1 credit per email, so I think it's clear which platform is a winner here. Now if you want to take it a step further and see how to actually use leads you source from anywhere to contact with hyper AI personalized emails or LinkedIn outreach messages, I suggest you take a look at this video right here.